This video is how to make an XY graph in SIPmath. Let's first of all initialize our model. Let's generate two random variables, RV1 and RV2. And these are going to be correlated variables. So let's put a correlation number over here. And why don't we set that equal to 0.8 to start with. And they're going to be correlated here. There's a correlation matrix. And this is going to be equal to this number here. Now the values are going to be here. SIPmath, generate input, correlated uniforms. And it wants the correlation matrix. And we need some random cells, so we'll put some random cells over here. And we'll say OK. Those are our correlated random variables. We'll now define them as outputs. And now I want to plot them a cross plot. SIPmath graphs, hit the little down arrow key, and you can see there's a scatter plot. And we'll put RV1 on the X tab and RV2 on the Y. And there's our scatter plot. Not sure I like the axes very well, so we'll change those. There's our scatter plot. So now what happens if I change this correlation to something else? How about a 1? How about a -1? How about a 0? So there you have the scatter plot comparing two random variables. And those could be output variables. They don't have to be input variables. You might want to look at the scatter plot of an input variable versus the output variable. Hope you find this scatter plot, a cross plot, which is available in the enterprise version of SIPmath. Thank you. Bye. If you'd like to learn more about SIPmath, I suggest you visit probabilitymanagement.org. They have a wonderful website with all kinds of tools there, shown down here, who they are. You can download models, and there's tools down here to include the SIPmath toolbar itself. You might also read The Flaw of Averages by Sam Savage. And please visit my YouTube channel. I have over 80 videos that cover a wide range of topics to include uses of the SIPmath tools, how to use the icons, cost and schedule risk analysis, portfolio analysis, value of information, lots of videos on that, and some mind testers. Hope you enjoy. Thank you.